Alright, hello, welcome to my channel. Anyways, today we're in the shed. I got my diesel heater running, and I actually got myself this guy here. It's a thermostat for the diesel heater. I tried building one, but it didn't work, so I broke down and I bought that. And it has been working awesome so far. So, what it does is, it just clones your, there's lots of videos, I'm not going to make one, but it clones your remote and basically just turns it on and off, like that. So, but I also got, where is it? Because I have just a pail that I'm using for the diesel. So I got a, I'll maybe put a picture of it, flash the light, put a picture of it here because I put the float in the thing already. Because I can't see the level outside because of the blue pail. I got myself a fuel gauge. So yeah, maybe I'll just put a picture right over here or something, or wherever. But I'm gonna hook this up here. It just hooks up to the battery right there, so it should be fairly easy. So I'm going to do that. Let's get to it here. Alright, so it's always nice when you get the instructions in there in Chinese. Freaking bullshit. Who needs them anyways? There's actually English on there too. But all we really need is this picture. So, yeah. Let's start by making those wires I got going through the wall over there. Make them a little longer. So, yeah. Let's do that. See if I have any I have wire, I think. I usually like soldering things, wires together, but I don't think I'm gonna do that this time because I'm feeling lazy. So, okay. Let's make these wires longer. Alright, there we go. We got it working. Got it changes colors. Come on. Forgot. There we go. I'll probably keep it like that. Ooh, turn it off. Change it to that. Probably keep it like that, maybe. We'll see. I gotta build a mount for it, so I can mount it somewhere. Looks like it'll have to be over here. So I got that wire hooked up to my that switch. That's where I'm getting power from. So it'll be on there. So I gotta build a mount for it. Yeah. Maybe I'll do that here. We'll see. There we have it. Quick little mount. I don't really think I like it there, but it'll do for now. I'll probably put it, I think I'd like it more over here so I can see it a little bit easier, but it'll do for now. So I guess that's that video. Not much of a video. I didn't even show how to wire it. So that's that. I don't know if I'm a really big fan of it. It's just a quick little mount. I think I'd rather have it over here. Or even, I could probably take this and put it there. I'd have to maybe extend the wire. Well, do that actually. Here, go to there, and it's there. Thanks for the idea. I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, there we go. It's alright. I'd still almost prefer it over a little further over, but like right here. But I'll do for now. I'm not changing it again, not right now. I hope. Maybe I'll decide to after camera. Anyways, I just gotta clean up these wires a little bit. This is just a big old jumbo mess here. So, clean that up. And yeah, that'll probably do it for this one. That'll probably do it for this one. I don't know. Kind of a weird video. What do? Subscribe. If I got more subscribers, maybe I could do better videos. Thanks for watching.